Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to have Google Chrome open up a specific web page or pages at startup. So when you relaunch or launch the Chrome web browser, if you wanted to load a specific web page, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome web browser and then select the three-dotted icon up in the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that one time and then go down and select settings. On the left side, select on startup and then underneath on startup, select versus open a specific page or set of pages. So at this point, you can go ahead and select use current pages if you already have certain tabs open. Otherwise, you can select add a new page in here and then you would select add. So once you're done with that, and let me just go ahead and add a couple other pages here. So once you're done with that, just go ahead and close out of here. And then when you relaunch the Chrome browser, it should launch the web pages that you specified. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.